This is the way. Analyze for the second test, which is independent sample t-test. As I said, as I told you, the independent sample t-test, that means we have a variable with two categories. For example, gender. Gender has two categories. Go back to the data, by the way, to check which numbers that you identify the data with. For example, in gender here, you put 1 and 2. You need to match the numbers, okay, guys? 1 and 2. Sometimes you have more than 2 categories, and only you want to check only 2 categories. In that case, you need to identify the number for the SPSS. It is a machine, okay, dealing with numbers. So just identify the numbers as you already identified from the beginning. Go to the test again. So gender, identify the groups. So we have 1, right? Correct? And 2. Do we have any more numbers? Male 1 and female was 2. Correct? Then continue. And we want to check the differences between male and female, for example, on the income. Or you may be body mass index you want to check. It depends on the question that I have or the hypothesis. So the hypothesis could be like this. There is, started like we have something real. So there is a difference, okay, between male and female, okay, in their achievement, for example. There is a difference. And we want to check if my statement, this statement, is true or not. This is the way we check the hypothesis. So, for example, the gender and the achievement, and move it here. Achievement of the students, for example, or faculty, whatever. Gender and the achievement. Options, no need to change anything. The confidence interval is 95%. And already identify the groups. Then click on OK. First, after you read the descriptive analysis for the achievement, okay, and check the mean and standard deviation, you need to check the homogeneity. Okay, you need to check the homogeneity. The homogeneity, deal with the homogeneity like you deal with the normality, right? So if we have equal variance, not significant, if it is not significant, just go through the first line. If it is significant, go to the second line. Why second line? Because it is not equal variance. There is no homogeneity. There is no homogeneity. ما في تجانس يعني. لكن هون عندنا تجانس. We have homogeneity here. Why? Because it's more than 5%. Like normality. We deal with the significant level like we deal with the normality test. So it is more than 5%. That means we have homogeneity. Okay. Then go to the first line. This is the first line, guys. This is the first line. And check now the t-test. هون t-test. This is the t-test. This is the homogeneity, guys. حبايبي الله يرضى عليكم ولادي. سامعني؟ الهوموجينيتي هون. الت-test هون.
ايوه.
So homogeneity, هنا we have homogeneity, so go through the first line. Important to check with it. So is it significant or not?
Significant.
Significant. Yes. So it is, there is difference between male and female in their achievement. Yani, we accept the hypothesis. We accept the main hypothesis. We will never discuss the null hypothesis. It's very difficult for your level. Okay? So it is, we accept what? The hypothesis, the main hypothesis. Okay, guys? That telling there is a difference between male and female. Okay? In their achievement. There is a difference. يعني في اختلاف. يعني الطلاب ممكن البنات يكونوا أشطر من الطلاب، صح؟ تمام؟ And check the mean, and you find the mean of the female is highest than the male, sorry. The male only 31. in their achievement. Okay, but the female is 32, which is highest in the female. So female better. ها يلا I support for female. Okay guys. إذا هون الاختلاف شو كان يا ندى؟ وين الاختلاف كان هون؟ في اختلاف. مين اللي أكثر بيأثر؟ مين اللي أكثر له تأثير على الاتشيفمنت؟ الميل ولا الفيميل؟ مين اللي له superiority impact؟ لأنه في اختلاف. there is difference. الاختلاف كان عند إيش؟ في كفة مين طلع فيميل؟ في كفة الفيميل. طيب. again. all good لحد الآن يا حبايبي الله عليكم. كل شيء تمام لحد الآن؟
لا اوكي كويس ايوه ماشي صح.
مين ما كويس؟
مش again.
مين ما كويس؟
دكتور عندي سؤال.
اسأل يا ابوي.
الحين في الامتحان انت بتجيب ان نسوي كل التست؟
لا شوفي هو كيف يعني قصدك كل التست؟
ان الاندبندنت
ايوه تقريبا طبعا لا مو كلهم لا هو سؤال واحد على السكشن هذا. احنا عندنا قديش سكشن؟ عندنا we have 4 sections for all of you guys. We have how many sections? We have almost 4 or 5 sections, right? Descriptive, normality, right? Correlation, regression, right? Etc. Okay, compare means. So every section we have only one type of test we need to conduct. For compare means, I will give you one question, one test to check, and all results will come out from that test. So I will never give you one sample test, independent sample test. No. The most important thing for me and for you also, the ability to select the right test. Then conduct the test. Okay? Other things is very easy because you know the results. The SPSS give you the results. No need to calculate manually as you already did for previous courses or something. Okay? All good لحد الآن?
Yes.
Third one.
Yes, good.
Doctor,
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you explain again there's 2 significance, right? You said for the first significant.
Yeah, Fatima, write it down. We have 2 significant here. We have 2 significant, right? Here significant and here significant, right?
Yes.
This significant for homogeneity, not for the t-test. This significant, not t-test. This is the t-test. This side, the right side t-test. This only to check the assumption of homogeneity. If it is not significant, the assumption of homogeneity is met. If not significant. So go directly to the first line. Read the results from the first line. Don't go to the second line. If it's not significant. Again, if it's not significant, the homogeneity, that means the homogeneity is met. Then go to the first line. If this value is significant below than 5%, this is more than 5%, right? If it's below than 5% or equal 5%, equal or less than 5%, go to the second row. Okay, and check the significant level at the second row. Here similar, but sometimes different. Okay, guys? So we have 2 significant levels. First one is not t-test, it is homogeneity. It is variances. Okay? Equality of variances. The second one is for t-test, the main thing. But in the t-test we have 2 results. Which one we choose? The first one if it is not significant. The second one if it is significant. That's it. Okay, Fatima?
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Again, also here you can just check if it's cross the 0. That means it's not. There is no difference. Okay. If it's not crossing the 0, that means positive, negative. Okay. Positive, negative, no difference. Negative, negative, positive, positive. There is difference. Okay. This is another way to check the result, by the way. But it's for your knowledge only. As you see, statistics is very big, and I need you to learn the most important things and the basics. Helene, go ahead.
Hi, Doctor. Yes. So here also, I want to ask you again, For example, here the first the significant is 0.942, and so it's not significant.
It is
So
not significant. So go direct to the first row and read this result.
Okay, so if not significant, we go directly and the first row.
There. If it's not significant, first row. Significant, second row. Why? Because you see this one. If it's significant, that means it's not homogenized. Not homogenized, that means not equal. Here, you see, not equal. This is the row for not equal variances. Okay, guys?
Okay, thanks.
Okay.